Here we go. My software has given us an opportunity for a buy, set and take profits, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. There's actually an opportunity for a sell also, so I'm going to take a sell all the way down here and we'll see how it plays out. Like, share and subscribe. Instead, I'm going to turn this sell into a hedge. So either I hedge it out in profit or I make some profits with my sell down here. Like, share and subscribe. And there you go. We were able to cover the loss and hedge this out and still come out with just a little profit. Like, share and subscribe until we get to more videos. Probably this is going to be the last trade of today. If you want to buy the course, go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you want to copy my trades, you can also go to nfxandcrypto.com. Join Mugen Markets. Make sure you fund your account with minimum of $500 to be able to copy my trades. If you have any questions, send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram, and make sure to join the Telegram group. And we'll be right back with another video.